We guide you through how to download high quality images from Pinterest in 2026. So the first thing you need to do is to open the Pinterest app or go to Pinterest website and find the image you want to download. Once you see the image, tap or click on it to open it view or full view so the highest resolution is displayed. Next, copy the link of the pin by tapping the share icon and selecting copy link. After that, open your browser and go to a trusted Pinterest image downloader website. Then paste the copied link into the download box. Tap the download button and choose the option that says high quality or original size to make sure you get the best resolution available. The image will then process for a few seconds, and once it's ready, tap the download button again and save it directly to your phone or computer. If you're using a mobile device, the image will usually appear in your gallery or downloads folder, while on computer, it will be saved in your download sections.